What's going on? Welcome to another vlog sa Days in a Life ng isang sneaker store owner. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. Papunta tayo ng McKinley. Pupunta tayo sa isang store. Bibenta natin yung Travis Jordan 4 natin na 10.5. So, ayun, nakausap ko siya. Nakita ko naglulooking siya. Friends kami sa Facebook pero hindi kami magkakilala personally. First time namin meet. Just to give you guys, lalo na sa mga bagong store, diba? Hindi naman natin mabibenta lahat agad yan sa store natin. Minsan, kailangan natin sa labas ng store ibenta. So, ito yung ginagawa natin. Papasa natin sa kabilang store, kakaroon tayo ng at least relationship sa kanila, ng network sa kanila, para at least next time, pag naghanap sila or tayo naman naghanap, kumbaga tulungan ba? So, hindi lang dito sa store na to, kumbaga sa lahat ng store dito sa Philippines, maganda na may connection. Hindi lang basta store, kahit ibang reseller. Yun. So, yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. Punta tayo doon. Kasama natin si Millie at si Lance para din makita nila yung store. Ito yung mall na may Grand Canal, parang ganun. So, si Lance nakapunta na daw, si Millie hindi pa. So, magiging turista din muna si Millie ngayon at mag-shoot ng video. So, tara, samahan niyo kami. Let's go. Hello, ngayon nandito na kami sa Grand Canal, Venice Grand Canal na mall. Punta tayo ngayon sa Yolo Manila, which is yung store nga nung bebentahan natin ng Travis. Let's go! Hello! What's up? Parker.
Yeah. You make content?
Yeah, we just, do content on everything. You don't mind, right?
Oh, we'll just have them to run our usual
the legit check, yeah, for sure.
It look good. It's just that
Oh yeah, no worries, yeah. Precaution, it's okay. Totally understand. That's good, man. Yeah, I like the display. It looks so...
Just try to maximize
the space, yeah.
Put everything on the wall.
So is it by style?
I think like every few months they will swap the location.
Oh.
Because I just noticed right now. I mean, yesterday we were putting the Yeezys here, and now they're moving here.
Yeah, oh, gotcha.
They just like
change it. How's the Dunks doing?
Slow.
Slow. You sell it for cheap now?
They are still
people, yeah.
Not like before.
Before, huh?
Now?
Gotcha. How about this? I want to get rid of all my Jordan 1 highs.
The high now is very slow.
Very slow, huh?
Yeah.
How about Yeezys? There's still some people?
Come and go. Like for last month, they skip raining and you get to sell some Yeezy Slide.
Oh yeah, Yeezy Slide, yeah.
And
Yeezy Slide is good, but the regular Yeezys, it's been slow for me too. And then if you're looking for any other pair, you know, I'll just message you or whatever.
Yeah.
Thank you, Austin.
Bye.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Nice to meet you. All right, that's a wrap. Ba't ako na English? Napa-English ako kay Austin ah. Ayun lang ako nag-English ng ganun kahaba ah. Well, shout out YOLO Manila. Ayan, binili nila yung pair. Thank you. Okay naman, yung chinek nila, kaya medyo matagal. Anong oras na ba? 2 hours ata tayo nandiyan, no? Chinek nila yung pair, nira nila sa app. Though nira na namin kagabi para ipakita sa kanila. Pero syempre, gusto pa rin nila i-run yun sa side din nila. Habang niraran, nagpakape. Nagpakape kay Mili tsaka kay Lance. Naging turista na nga si Mili, nagkakape pa. Well, anyway, yun, shout out Austin ng YOLO Manila. And galing, very nice guy. First time ko siyang ma-meet in person. Friends namin sa Facebook, like I said, sa intro. First transaction namin to, so yun, went smoothly. Medyo matagal lang kasi nga, nira nila yung shoes sa app to legit check the pair. And then, syempre, authentic. Galing sa atin yun eh. Anyway, yun lang. So, recap lang, di ba? Like I said, di mo na mabibenta lahat yung sa store. So, maganda magkaroon ka ng connection, lalo na sila, medyo mas matagal na sila established dito sa Pilipinas. So, next time, pag naghahanap siya ng pair, at least alam niya na, uy, reliable to. Good, have good relationship with them. Yun yung target natin, di ba? Sabi nga nila, your network is your network. So, let's just keep on building our network.
Wow!
Yun lang. So, if you guys like this type of vlogs, let us know. Leave a comment below. Tinatry namin yung best namin mag-put out ng as much content as we can sa daily life natin as a sneaker store owner. So, yun lang. Yan. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace!